Get to the forecast this morning. The time now is 5:16, and we're waking up to clear skies, which is not always a good thing this time of the year. That means more blazing sunshine overhead today, with high temperatures rivaling yesterday. We want to take you to southwest Topeka on our West Topeka Skycam. This, of course, our KSNT StormTrack Weather Cam network. 10th and Wanamaker in the background, and 470 there as well. Looks like a couple trucks on the highway, but no real traffic problems this morning. Our day planner forecast looks like this. By 9 o'clock, 85 degrees. By lunchtime, 95 degrees. And high temperatures this afternoon approach 100. Where have we seen this forecast before? Oh, right, yesterday. The exact same forecast is expected again this afternoon. A little fun fact for you, kind of weird, but Topeka is the only major city that has a local observation in terms of temperatures that has not reached 100 degrees in our viewing area so far this year. Yesterday, we got to 99. Even Lawrence jumped up to 100 yesterday. Nonetheless, we'll try again this afternoon. That heat warning in effect for today and again tomorrow, not set to expire until Saturday evening at 8 o'clock. Temperatures this morning cannot make these up even if I tried. We're at 82 degrees in Topeka. That's not a heat index, that's an actual air temperature. Farther west between Abilene and Salina, you guys closer to 85 degrees. Those feel like temperatures this morning, mid to upper 80s. We top the dew point charts again. And then some. Notice 75 degrees is the top part of the scale. That means it'll feel oppressive outside. The dew points are the measurements of the moisture in the air. Well, we had a dew point yesterday afternoon almost at 80. So downright soupy outside. And when you combine the heat with those humidity values, we get this number, the heat index, how hot it actually feels out there. This is KSNT FUTURETRACK heat index. By 2:30, notice it'll feel between 100 and 105. Although, just like yesterday, I feel like along I-70 and farther north and west, it'll be even hotter, maybe as hot as 112. This is Saturday at 4 o'clock in the afternoon. Notice just as warm, 105 to 110. All right, here's your KSNT StormTrack weather forecast today. Topeka, 101. Extreme heat and humidity. A little south breeze as well. A south wind 10 to 20 miles an hour. Gusts higher than that. Still very hot in Manhattan, 103. And Emporia, 100. More high humidity values later on this afternoon, making that 100 feel more like 110. Tonight, we fall back down close to 80. Another unpleasant sleeping night. If you have AC units or central air, crank them day and night through the upcoming weekend. We really don't feel any relief from this heat and humidity until Monday. Saturday's tomorrow, scattered showers and thunderstorms possible during the evening hours, but most of tomorrow will be just like today. Lots of sunshine, very hot and very humid. The clouds will increase late, though, out ahead of those scattered showers and thunderstorms later this weekend. I do not expect any severe weather, maybe just some borderline strong thunderstorms. Of course, our air is very moist. Just take a step outside and breathe in really slow, and you can have the proof for yourself. But what does that mean? It's just a lot of fuel for these thunderstorms that could pop up this weekend, and that means some locally heavy rain. Monday and Tuesday, we are not cold, we are not cool. We're cooler than we have been, upper 80s, and that will feel a lot nicer, let's put it that way, with those overnight temperatures in the 60s. Still maybe a spotty shower through Tuesday. And a lot of people on Facebook yesterday asking me, okay, once we get through this little heat relief late this weekend and early next week, what's it looking like? Well, guys, you can probably guess. It's still looking very hot by this time next week.
But a lot cooler than it does from this week. This week was a lot of numbers in your forecast.
Yeah, we'll take the 80s next Monday and Tuesday. But again, by this time next week, 95 plus.
I know. We'll take the 80s for the first part of the week, though.